So Ritu, we met back in a airport hotel in Heathrow in London, and it was really lovely connecting with you. And yet, whatever it is, 4 months later, you were like, "Oh, I tell you what, I'll just jump on a plane and fly to Africa." Has it been worth it?
It's been absolutely amazing. I don't regret a single minute of it. I met the most beautiful people, and we're all on this journey together to better ourselves. And I couldn't thank you enough, actually, for giving me this opportunity to come.
Awesome. Well, as I said, it's wonderful to have you here. Tell me, what's it been like to combine two different things? So we started with the Wealth Weekend, money, investment, business, diversification, all kind of quite hard masculine kind of energies, and then we've come here to do this personal development workshop. What's it been like for you having the combination of both?
Well, I really believe that we can't really we can't really succeed in the things that we want to do in life unless we've worked out our personal, mindset issues. And coming here and doing personal growth allows you to break through those barriers so that you can go out and do the things that we want to do in life. And lots of people, I mean, me included, it's about taking action. And we don't realise the subtle things in our mind that stops us taking that action. So I absolutely love the gift of what you brought with these two different things and combining them. So well done.
Awesome, thanks. My last question to you. I know that I talk to people in England all the time, and they're like, "Oh, I've got to get on a plane, and I've got to fly for 11 hours," and they make it sound like they're trying to catch a boat to Alaska. But anyway, the point being is that has it been worth coming here and sort of this place, this environment? It's something very different from what you can experience in England or Europe, etc. I know you travel to India a lot. The point being is this a destination that you would recommend people actually come and experience?
Oh, absolutely. It just allows you to relax we're in such a beautiful space at the moment with an incredible amount of vast land. And you're not really
you might notice behind us here, there's literally no houses. You can literally see no one. You're in the middle of a forest.
So being in this space really allows you to let go, if you're willing to let go. So I couldn't recommend it more, and the weather's absolutely beautiful. It still isn't that warm back in Europe. So yeah, I would tell people to just get out of their head and just do it. There's nothing stopping you except yourself.
Awesome. Well, listen, it's been wonderful having you, and travel back home safely, and I look forward to seeing you in Africa or Heathrow again.
Thank you
Cheers.
so much.